Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking prerequisites and launching the call. Make sure WhatsApp is updated and your device grants microphone, camera, and screen recording permissions. Once permissions are set, open WhatsApp and start a voice or video call with the contact or group you'll share from. If you're on desktop, launch WhatsApp desktop and sign in. On mobile, open the chat and tap the call icon. Start the call now so the screen sharing control appears in the active call interface. Once the call is live, tap the device screen to reveal the in-call controls and look for the screen share icon, usually a rectangle with an arrow. On mobile, tap that icon and grant the system prompt to capture your screen, then choose to share the whole screen or a specific app if the OS offers that option. On desktop, click the icon and pick whether to share your entire screen, an application window, or a browser tab. Then confirm to begin broadcasting your screen to everyone on the call. To finish, tap the Stop Sharing button in the call controls or End the call. That immediately halts the screen broadcast. If screen sharing fails to start, close and reopen WhatsApp, then recheck OS-level screen recording and overlay permissions. Reboot the device if needed. If viewers can't hear shared audio on desktop, enable the App Audio or System Audio checkbox when selecting the screen. If voice is missing on mobile, confirm microphone access. These steps resolve most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.